Happy Monday. It's starting to get a little cold. It's foggy this morning and cold. So this is what I'm wearing today, my hoodie. And I'm wearing my purse. This purse came from Burlington's in Orlando. And this came from Walmart. So yeah, have a good Monday. And Sunday, we went to church. Church was good. I'm ending this video. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. Share this video with your friends and family. And I will see y'all later. Bye. Hello, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to a new video. I am painting this sign. It says Harvest Wishes. I painted the leaf orange and yellow. And I'm going to paint the rest of it orange and yellow. So today is arts and crafts. We are painting. This is what the sign looks like so far. The orange and yellow, and the limbs are brown. So this is what it's looking like so far. And we're gonna finish painting it. Like, comment, subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. How are y'all doing? Y'all first week of October. Mine is going okay so far. So we are painting this leaf, this harvest sign. It's going to be orange and yellow. And it's going to turn out so cute. Okay. So the top is going to be orange and the bottom is going to be yellow. So let's go paint the top of our letter orange. Y'all comment down below and let me know how y'all October is going so far. What are y'all doing for harvest season? I put some harvest stickers on my window. And I read the Bible. So that's what I did today. And now I'm painting this harvest sign. And I will come back and show y'all the finished products. But so far, so good. This is what I got so far. And the top is orange, you can see, and the bottom is going to be yellow. Okay. Bye. This is the finished touch of how it looks. It's orange and yellow. And the stems on the leaf is brown. Very quick little project. Harvest Wishes. That's what it says. And your girl painted. I got this from Dollar Tree. I got this little thing of paint from Dollar Tree. And I think I did a good job. Comment down below. Big thumbs up if y'all think I did a good job. Okay, bye. I'm making lemon pepper wings. And I'm going to put them in the fryer. I didn't put no seasoning on them because I want to look like the restaurant. You put them in the fryer first. And I already cleaned my hands. You put them in the fire first. And when you take them out, you put your seasoning on it and shake it together. And it'd be good to go. So that's why I didn't put no seasoning on them. Because I want them to look like the restaurant's chicken. And when they get done, I'm going to put the seasoning on them. We're going to drop them in the deep fryer. And boom. This is how they look. And you're going to take your seasoning, your lemon pepper. See, they crispy like you want them. And you're going to take lemon pepper and you're going to sprinkle it on there like that. And now you're going to take your bowl and you're going to shake it like that. And that's how they look in the restaurant. You're going to make them, you want it crispy as they can be. So this is the chicken, lemon pepper chicken. This is what the plate's looking like. I got garlic bread, lemon pepper chicken with barbecue sauce on it, and salted fries.